So algebra students, let's look at solving a little bit more of a challenging equation here. So we see this equation, 6 times the sum of f and 4. I say the sum because f and 4 are together in that grouping there and they're adding. So 6 times the sum of f and 4 minus 4f equals 6. So we've been learning in this video that if you can simplify the expression on the left-hand side or the right-hand side of an equation, do so. I definitely see some simplifying I can do on the left-hand side. And remember, when we're simplifying, we follow the order of operations. So I am going to start with doing the multiplication here and leave the subtraction for a little bit later. So let's do this. 6 is shoved up against the grouping. It's multiplying. Let's multiply it out. 6 times f is 6f, and multiplication distributes across a grouping. So 6 times positive 4 is positive 24. Now, I haven't touched my negative 4f. Make sure your multiplication stops when the parentheses stop. And so it's still going to be equal to 6. So what to do now? Still looks a little ugly. Well, have you ever seen Finding Nemo? You know how Dory says, just keep swimming, just keep swimming. Yeah, that's what we do here. Just keep simplifying, y'all. If you see any more work you can do, just keep doing it. And I do see more work that I can do. I see like terms in this equation. There's an f term, 6f, and another f term, negative 4f. And they're on the same side of the equal sign, so I can just go ahead and combine them according to the symbols that I see. And if you need to, you could do it in your calculator, but 6 minus 4 is 2, and I have two f's. I use this and I use that, but I certainly haven't dealt with plus 24, so it's still part of my equation, and that's going to be equivalent to 6. And now if you look, 2f plus 24, there's no more simplifying I can do. I can't do the addition here because they're not like terms. Now it's time to start moving backwards to solve. So when I solve, if you remember, that's when I work my order of operations backwards instead of gemmaing. I guess I'm going to amag you guys. And so let me move anything adding or subtracting with f first. So I'll take 24 away from both sides. Now adding 24 and subtracting 24 are opposites. They cancel just like I wanted. We've got 2f, and that's going to be equivalent to, what is 6 minus 24? Well, negative 18. And again, use your calculator so you can focus on the algebra. There's a 2 multiplying with f. I'll get rid of him by doing the opposite, by dividing. Multiplying and dividing by 2 are opposites. They cancel. F is alone, just like I wanted. And there's the math to do. Negative 18 divided by 2 is negative 9. F's alone. This is solved. So not so bad. Just tell yourself, just keep simplifying, just keep simplifying. All right, you guys, super proud of you. Happy learning.